First, take top panel of your product. Tighten Minifix screws one by one on the bottom side of the panel by using either screwdriver or drill machine. Now take bottom panel of your product. Insert Minifix barrel in top side of the panel. Before inserting the barrel, make sure that the arrow on the barrel is pointing toward the top of the panel. Carefully join both panels with each other. Now by using screwdriver tighten Minifix barrel by rotating it only 180 degrees on your right hand side. Repeat the same steps for other panels. Now you perfectly understand how to assemble any product by using Minifix. Thank you for shopping with us. Hope you love the Wood Express products.